Hi guys! Now if you're a beginner and are interested in starting an HIIT workout, this is the perfect video for you. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this. Let's go!
Shadows on my mind, dreams are running wild, run out of time, oh my. Colors in the sky, reminds me of your eyes, miss you all the time, missing you now, 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 missing you now. Shadows on my mind, dreams are running wild, run out of time, oh my. Colors in the sky, reminds me of your eyes, miss you all the time, missing you now, 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 missing you now.
A few pointers to keep in mind: make sure you warm up and stretch before starting the routine. Keep sipping on water during your rest intervals. The work to rest ratio is 1:1. That is, you work for 30 seconds and you rest for 30 seconds. And of course, make sure you cool down once you're done. So guys, how was your first HIIT workout experience? I'm really excited to know. So make sure you comment in the comment section below. Also, if you have any queries, feel completely free to shoot them down. Like, share and subscribe, for we have loads of exciting stuff and awesome fitness content coming your way. Till then, see ya!